Hi everyone, this is Marcia from Marcia's Fab Life, and today I'm doing a DIY Poundland. If you could like, comment and subscribe, I really appreciate it. So I'm just gonna say I'm doing a collaboration with Michelle Osgood. So the lovely Michelle Osgood, yes, thank you. So I'm going to crack on with the DIY. So I'm going to try and do something with this. So I'm going to take this open out of the plastic. So I'm just going to take these out. You can see because they're on pegs. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these pegs off, but I'm going to spray paint this as well, so see how this come out. So I'm going to be off camera doing that, so I'll be back shortly. So if you give me a few minutes and I'm crack on soon. So back soon. So hi, I'm back again. So as you can see, I have spray painted this silver as well as the pegs as well. It's not exactly perfect, that's as good as I can get it right about now. But yeah, I've done it all silver, as you can see. It looks such a big difference on there, isn't it? So I'm gonna try and put some glue on there to give it that little extra sparkles, just a little bit, not too much. And this is PVC glue, but this is the clear one. Yeah, sorry, there might be funny noises in the background. I've got company. Yeah. But I'm just gonna keep on gluing this. I just hope that this comes out right how I want it. So this is the glue, trying to spread it over so you can get as much glue on here as possible. I might just put a little bit on the pegs, but not too much. As well, so I can put some. I'm going to put some glitter on it. Let's hope this is all covered.
Wait for me.
that's it. So now, oops, let's try and put on the glitter. Hold that up.
Lift it up. No.
And get on my fingers. Let's try to turn it that way. Turn it the other way. Just shake off some of the excess. Look at that.
Lift it up. No.
Because of the spray paint, you can't see it, but I can see it. It's like it wants to do its own thing. And that's not what I want it to stick. Put this down.
Lift it up. No.
Shake off the excess. Is at least staying in one place for me. See what's happening here. It wants to do something. So I'm going to leave this to dry. So I'll be back shortly, and I'm going to put on some more different things. I might put one of these or one of these in here. So I'll just have to wait for these to dry first and see how it goes. So I'll be back soon, so in a few minutes. Hi, so I'm back again. So I decided to use these three. So this is the Santa. So I'm going to put in here because I use hot glue on there. If you can stick there. And this one is the snowman. I'm going to put that there, I think. And no, actually, this is not working out how I want it to. This goes, so I'm going to have to go off camera again, yeah, and try to stick these in, but you get the gist. So I'm going to try to glue this in here and here, because that glue just dried up really quickly on me. So that's not the one. Yeah, so I'm going to have to do it again. So I'll be back again, and hopefully these will be back in place. So see you in a bit. Hi guys, I'm back again. Oh, you don't even know the trial and error that I had to go through. I tried to glue it before, but it wouldn't go to plan. So I used basically the glue gun to glue on the Father Christmas and the post box and the snowman, as you can see. So I hope you really like this. Yeah, so that's what I've done, is to this picture frame. So I had to glue that off camera because the cord for the glue gun is not long enough to from here to the plug. So I eventually done it anyway. So I had to go off and do it because I tried to do it over here, but it was too far. So basically I've done it anyway. So I've done the picture frame. So I would just like to say a big thank you to Marcia Osgood for doing this collaboration with me. And yeah, so this is a Poundland Christmas DIY, as you can see. And yeah, I hope you enjoy it on this project. So make sure you like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you, bye.